just saw the sparkliest fish over there. It was made of silver, and its fins were made of glitter. That's so cool. I wonder if it's hungry.
That's great, Larry. Hey, screwballs! Larry! Help me navigate to that shore!
Yes, sir, Captain.
I'm never letting that screwball drive again. Zed, do you know any place we can get some good pineapple juice around here?
Oh yeah, there's a great pineapple place down on Stone Street. It's robot guy!
What's his problem? Could I get a pineapple juice?
And cookies. Yeah, cookies.
And some cookies.
Yippee! I love cookies. That'll be $3.14, please.
Here, keep the change.
Nom 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 nom.
All right, you guys ready to go? Wait, where's my wallet? I thought I had it right here.
I let the cat have it.
What cat? Get that cat!
So should we give him a minute or? Thanks for stopping by, I guess. Sir, I know the cat is fluffy, but why do we need the wallet? Are we gonna give it to a fluffy dog instead?
Larry, without the wallet, we can't get cookies.
Well, I guess we do need cookies. We should do this more often. Yeah.
All right, cat, drop it. What the? Ah! All right, cat, you're not gonna scare me this time.
That cat is probably an international criminal. Yeah. My hard drive hurts.
I'm supposed to be a pirate, but I'm losing to a cat. Am I losing my touch?
Sir, why don't you try being nice to the cat?
Larry, that's a cat. I'm not gonna be nice to a cat.
Oh.
All right, cat, let's try this again.
Hello, little cat.
Hey, Larry, enjoying that fish?
Yep.
You know, Larry, I think we might stay in this town for a little longer.
You mean it?
Mm-hmm. It's been fun so far.